Fiverr is one of the most popular freelance platforms, but many beginners make avoidable mistakes that can slow their success. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your freelance career, knowing what pitfalls to avoid can save you time, frustration, and lost income. In this video, we'll cover the top Fiverr mistakes freelancers often make and how to avoid them. One of the most common mistakes is creating vague or unclear gigs. Your gig description is your chance to sell your service, so it's essential to be clear about what you offer, the scope of work, and delivery times. Avoid using generic statements or assuming clients know what they're getting. Instead, detail your packages, include examples or visuals, and set realistic expectations. A well-written gig attracts the right clients and reduces misunderstandings. Another mistake is underpricing your services. While it's tempting to start with very low prices to get orders, underpricing can hurt your credibility and make it harder to increase your rates later. Focus on providing value and gradually raise your prices as you gain reviews and experience. Conversely, overpricing without experience or a portfolio can scare away potential clients, so finding a balanced starting point is key. A third mistake is ignoring communication with clients. Prompt and clear communication is essential on Fiverr. Respond to messages quickly, ask questions to clarify requirements, and provide updates throughout the project. Poor communication often leads to dissatisfied clients and negative reviews, which can impact your success. Many beginners also neglect their Fiverr profile. Your profile is your brand. It should look professional, highlight your skills, and include examples of past work if possible. A weak profile can make it hard for clients to trust you, even if your gigs are well written. Another mistake is failing to specialize. Trying to offer too many different services can confuse clients and dilute your expertise. Focusing on a niche or skill can help you stand out in a competitive marketplace. Finally, some freelancers ignore Fiverr's policies and best practices. Not following delivery deadlines, misusing messaging, or trying to take clients off platform can result in account suspension. Stick to Fiverr's rules and focus on building a reputation on the platform. In summary, avoiding these common Fiverr mistakes: unclear gigs, underpricing, poor communication, weak profiles, lack of specialization, and ignoring policies can help you succeed faster and build a sustainable freelance career. Start strategically, focus on quality, and continuously improve your services to stand out in 2025. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss more tips, tutorials, and advice for freelancers on Fiverr. Thanks for watching.